Welcome back, everybody. This is Eric here with Iraq Veteran 8888. We're continuing our 2024 SHOT Show coverage, and we came here by the Rock Ridge Outdoors booth. Now, Rock Ridge is a conglomerate, and they actually have a whole bunch of outdoor brands under their umbrella. Everything from waterfowl stuff, archery, different sights and things like that, cutlery, e-bikes, I mean, a variety of different stuff, ducks and decoys and dog toys and, you know, all your vests for your hunting dogs and everything like that. So if you're an outdoorsman and you do all type of stuff, especially waterfowl, this group of brands is definitely going to have your back. And we are going to be telling you about Telum knives. All right, so they got some of their cutlery here we're going to show off. So Telum has their Titan. All right, this is an auto knife. This one has a D2 stone wash finished blade here. All right, with the automatic opening system, a safety lock, as you can see right here, very easy to get to. Some very aggressive G10 grips, and it has a tip-up pocket clip. Okay. So it's a very high quality knife, has a Tonto blade, as you can see here. So for Telum, this is definitely something more in the tactical realm for them. You do have a belt clip there, as well as your, you know, a little lanyard loop if you want to make yourself a little lanyard. I know some people like to do the little, you know, Ranger bands or stuff like that, or do the little counter bands with the beads on them. I've seen a lot of people do that on their cutlery and things like that. Okay, that's your Telum. All right. They have one knife that's a little bit more bougie here. This is the trimmer. This one uses an S300 blade, so definitely a nice shiny polish on that. Now, the grip on this particular knife is set up with a combination of a high polish stainless steel and G10. So this is kind of a little bit more of a bougie offering. And this particular knife is really intended to be more of a, let's just say, high-end pocket skinner, okay? Now, the lock on this one is on the rear spline of the knife. It does have a lock back to lock that shut, okay? Now, this particular knife, that's a great, like, high-class sort of pocket skinner, okay? This particular knife also has a belt clip that is interchangeable, both sides. And you can see the G10 has a nice soft texture. Definitely not that aggressive texture that you're going to see on the Titan, okay? Really high-quality knife. For a knife in this particular type of features and everything, very well-priced knife. Definitely a high-quality, high-end knife here from Telum Cutlery. All right, another piece of cutlery that I'm going to show you. This is called the Scorch. This one uses a D2 stone wash finish blade. Of course, again, with the automatic opening system, with the rear-mounted lock back. Okay, this one does have an interchangeable belt clip. Go to either side. That's a real popular option. There is a little loop here on the end to put your little lanyard on there if that's something that you want to do, okay? Again, a combination of colors here, the G10 on the grip, okay? So a very nice, smaller blade. You know, this could be used for skinning. So this is kind of something that can get in between the tactical and more of the outdoorsy type stuff. You know, you can still use this as a tactical blade and also still use it as a little skinner. Perfect little squirrel knife. Small game, also skinning out a deer, whatever you need to do. So G10 is just a great grip material, holds up really great, nice and strong, perfect texture, okay? So that's the Scorch. In the Telum line of knives, what they have with under Rock Ridge here, check them out. They got a lot of really cool stuff. I'm really digging that e-bike. They've even got a nice cooler set up on it and all. And e-bikes have really grown in popularity, and lots of hunters are relying on e-bikes because they're quiet and they're actually powerful. You can drag game in and out of the woods with an e-bike. They make trailers for a variety of different e-bikes and things like that. So the cool thing about Rock Ridge as a conglomerate, there's so many things here that can cover you in the archery, shotgun, hunting, waterfowl, that sort of stuff. So check them out. Just want to come by and show off some of their cool stuff that's new for this year. Hope everybody's having a great day, and thanks so much for tuning in. We're going to be continuing our 2024 SHOT Show coverage. We hope you'll tune in. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you soon.